Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. We are on board another one of our brand new 2025 Sylvan L-3s. Tons to show you on this boat. This one is super cool. So we'll start off here in the front of the boat, in the bow. You're gonna have a really nice spacious seating, just a standard layout here in the front, but you're gonna have some really nice design stitching patterns as well as high backrests. So really comfortable seating configuration here, with storage underneath all. Moving back into our helm station, you are going to have subfloor storage. So that's a ski locker, so anything from your tubes, your fenders, your floaties, anything you want to bring out on the water with you, that's going to be your garage of this boat. Dual captain's chairs on this boat with high back seating, so really comfortable, as well as flip up armrests. Here in your helm station, really nice and elegant helm station, you are going to have a 7-inch Simrad display. So that's going to be your chart plotter as well as your fish finder, along with your wet sounds audio system and all of your other rocker switches for your master power, your underwater lights, stocking lights, interior lights, exterior lights, all of the above. Another really awesome feature of this boat, it is going to have a full power bimini. So with a press of a button up here on your dash, this bimini is going to either fold down if you want to get some sun rays, that Georgia sun, or if you want to hide from it a little bit, get some shade, press a button, and this is going to fully come up. The really cool function of this boat is it's actually going to have a kind of like a picnic setup back here on the aft section of the boat. So you can configure this many different ways. So here on our port side, we have a like I said, kind of like a picnic setup. So if you guys are out in the cove, having lunch, drinking wine, having a couple beers, whatever you guys are doing out there on the water, really nice kind of face-to-face setup here that can be transitioned to face forward or aft. And then you are going to have storage underneath that seating as well. Here on our starboard side, a little bit different setup. You can still configure it just like the port side, but just for show, I'll show you what this thing can do. So like I said before, you can either sit forward, or if you want to make this an entire sunbed lounger, you're going to pull up, drop that down, and now you have an entire sunbed. Really cool feature of this boat. Doesn't stop there. You can do the same with this seat as well. So now if you're towing kids on the tubes, skiing, wakeboarding, or if you're just watching them swim out there in the lake, this is a great spot to do it. Really nice powder coated enclosure here, as well as it doubles as a ski tow pylon. You are going to have gates on the port and starboard side. And then this boat is actually going to be powered by a 200 horse Mercury outboard engine. Another really nice add-on that they did with the Sylvan L-3 is your lily pad ladder. So that is an upgraded ladder, just makes getting on and off the boat really simple. So there's tons more to show you on this boat. I'd love to talk to you more about it. So if you get a chance, visit us on our website at marinemax.com, or come visit us here at MarineMax Lake Lanier and Bald Ridge Marina.